Using Sitecore Customer Engagement Platform, you are able to optimize the visitor experience. You can actually do that in 3 ways. You can use personalization to show relevant content according to the visitor behavior or to the visitor intent. That could be a visitor arriving on the website using a specific keyword, and you use that keyword to show relevant content for that keyword website. You could also use testing capabilities, and testing is really good in terms of optimizing your key conversion pages. It could be you have a form, and on that page with the form you are testing different elements to see how you can make that form perform even better. A third way to optimize the visitor experience is to use the built-in analytics capabilities. So you find the insights there about how the visitor are using the site, and you use those insights to improve the visitor experience and optimize the visitor experience on the site.